Thank you very much for the award, and it's a great honor. It's a privilege to be a recipient of the award from Lexicon and to be presented by the governor. And more so because the reason that I have got this award is because my company has been doing some good work around helping the communities, and in the recent times of pandemic, we did a lot of work for COVID, buying ventilators for the hospital or PPE kits for the frontline workers and so on and so forth. So I'm personally delighted and honored, very, very grateful. So I head a software company in India, and I believe that the purpose of our organization is to transform IT for our customers, or help run the IT for their customers. And our customers vary from large multinational banks to hospitals and pharmaceutical companies. Think of some of the products that we have probably would help medication to come faster to the market, affecting, say, treatment of Alzheimer's, or when you do your banking transaction, when you swipe your card in nanoseconds, the card transaction goes through a very secure system. Our product is behind that. That's like a purpose for us. And that is why we exist as an organization. And at the same time, we deeply care for our communities for the society. And so we've been doing a lot of work, sustainable work around for example, we've done a lot of work around cervical cancer and breast cancer. In the last 3.5 years, we have tested over 20,000 women. We screened them for cervical cancer and breast cancer. And fortunately, because of the screening happening on the time, we have not lost a single one of them who tested positive. And every woman saved, as you can imagine, is a family saved. So I feel very privileged and proud to be part of an organization that has been able to do work like this. I think, we've always lived in a world which is volatile and uncertain, and we always look back and look forward to the years and say, oh, this is going to be even more tougher. The thing that I would like to say, it is never going to get very easy, and therefore it's very, very important that you are adaptable. You learn very quickly, believe in yourself. As I saw the logo or the emblem of Lexicon, which has believe in yourself, I think that is going to be the foundation of success in the times to come. Your ability to learn quickly, adapt, and believing in yourself. I think it's extremely commendable. I mean, any organization that looks out of itself and is able to contribute, and it does not sometimes matter how much. It is the intent and the drive to do more and more, and realize that we are privileged. We're a lot more privileged than a lot of people outside, especially in our country. And so I really, really acknowledge the work that Lexicon is doing. I think it's phenomenal and very, very appreciated. Phenomenal, because think of it like he said, and I completely acknowledge that 14 years of the overall group, and I don't know when the management school started, but to be in that elite group of institutions where you could be equated with in the Indian Institute of Management, which is world-class by itself, I think it's a phenomenal accomplishment in this short a time. And I'm here at this campus, and I'm deeply impressed by the infrastructure and the facilities that I see here. So great job of the vision and its execution by this organization. And I'm sure Nasir will help take this forward very well.